Welcome again, Military Guna TV. Glad to have you with me again. As I say again, once you're tuning in, it definitely means that you have enjoyed some of my content. Now, before I go into anything, please like, share, and subscribe. You have to subscribe. Subscription is a must. Subscription is a must. Alright, so there's not much talking point for today. What I want to do, I want to do a dive into some of the Arsenal players that were on international duty. First, we start off with the captain, Pierre-Emerick Aubameyang. And he has scored a goal for Gabon, a clinical goal, a poacher in the box type of goal. And we can say that nothing is wrong with his goal scoring abilities. Mikel Arteta, nothing is wrong with Aubameyang's goal scoring abilities. So, sort out your system. It's definitely your system. Also, he gave a very, very good performance for Gabon. And it was intriguing to see how well he performed. Now, next person is Matteo Guendouzi. We know Matteo Guendouzi is on loan watch at the moment, but he put on a very good performance for the France International under 23 team, or 21 team, sorry. And I could say it was a very good, enjoyable performance from him. I had to rewatch the game. He had an assist, and definitely something that we as Arsenal fans should look out for, because we know that he's a player that is very much troublesome. But even though that he's troublesome, he has a high potential and a very high ceiling, and a very, very good player on that. Now, that's for Matteo Guendouzi. Next player, Bukayo Saka. Now, Saka played a very good game yesterday for England, and where we saw him receive the Man of the Match award. And I can tell you, this guy has a very, very high ceiling, and only the sky can keep him down. So you definitely understand how far he's going to go. But what I want to say is that I would love to see I would definitely love to see how Mikel Arteta is going to integrate him, because at this moment Saka cannot be left out of the squad. He is so good at the moment. He is very, very good at the moment, and he cannot be left out of the squad. Also, we saw Leno came off the bench, put in a very good performance, very, very intriguing, and you definitely see that these guys are hungry and want to prove a point. Now, one of Arsenal lonely transfer watch, or transfer target, Dominic Szoboszlai, has put in a very good performance for Hungary, and they defeated Iceland 2-1, and he scored a magnificent goal to bring Hungary into the Euros group stage, to the next round of the Euros, I should say. And I would say it was a very good game, and he played well. Not the best, but he played okay. And what we're seeing from him at this moment is that he's a very talented player, and someone that the team would definitely improve on if we should have got him maybe this January or so. But I see that that's very good. Oh, and Bellerin has made his first international debut for Spain since 2016, and I hope to see him progress on that, even though at this moment he's not playing at his best. But I hope that he would progress from that, because what I'm seeing at the moment is not nice, or I should say pleasing to the eye, because he definitely didn't look so well in that Aston Villa game. Because what I saw was Jack Grealish shoulder to shoulder with him and pounced him about 10 feet away from him, and that didn't look good. Man needs some meat. That guy needs some meat. But anyways, yeah, he had a good performance though. He had a very good performance though. The game finished 1-1. And a good performance from him. So far, those are the players that I've seen really put out an effort or made a landmark in regards to what we love to see from our players on international duties. Thomas Partey didn't make the international cut because he suffered an injury in the Aston Villa game, and that was where we fell apart as an Arsenal team. A few other players would love to see make the cut, but nothing from them so far. We all know Mesut Ozil is not with the German team for a long while now, and I don't see that changing anytime soon. I don't even think that you will see much of him from after next transfer, summer transfer. Nicholas Pepe played a very good game in the African qualifiers for the Nation Cup, and no, it's not the Nation Cup, it's the Afghan. But he played good first half, came off about 76 minutes. Very good performance from him, I would say. But he's working very hard. He is defensively he's looking much better, and physically also he's coping much better. But this is not a long one for you today. Not much happening at the moment. As you know, it's just normal transfer rumors. And another thing, Shabazlai agent has shut down the rumors that are being going around in regards to him being linked with RB Leipzig. And we all know he's from Red Bull Salzburg. And they shut down all the links and connection between him going to RB Leipzig. So you definitely know they didn't came out and shut down the links with him going in talks with Arsenal. So you'd understand that there is something behind of that. But thank you again for tuning in. Nothing much said today, but later on I have something to do, and I'm going to give you an update on what I think Mikel Arteta should be doing in this transfer break, and something that can better the team at this moment. But anyways, thank you for tuning in. Please like, share, and subscribe. Before you go, subscribe. Hit that subscription button, hit the red button, subscribe. Thank you for tuning in. Military Guna, I'm out.